Salesforce Administration Certification. Salesforce Administration Certification is a professional credential that validates an individual's knowledge and skills in Salesforce administration. Salesforce administrators play a critical role in configuring, customizing, and maintaining the Salesforce platform to meet their organization's specific needs. Eligibility and requirements for Salesforce Administration Certification. Experience. Candidates should have experience working with Salesforce and should have a good understanding of its various features and functionalities. Training. Candidates are recommended to complete the Salesforce Administration Essentials for New Admins course or have equivalent knowledge and experience. Exam. Candidates must pass a proctored multiple-choice exam that tests their knowledge of Salesforce administration. Benefits of Salesforce Administration Certification. Obtaining Salesforce Administration Certification can increase job opportunities for individuals, as many companies require professionals with Salesforce expertise. Increased earning potential. Salesforce professionals with certification are typically paid more than those without certification. Enhanced credibility. Salesforce Administration Certification demonstrates an individual's knowledge and expertise in Salesforce administration. Exam format and structure of Salesforce Administration Certification. Exam format. The Salesforce Certified Administrator exam is a computer-based exam that consists of 60 multiple-choice questions. Exam content. The Salesforce Certified Administrator exam covers various topics, including data management, security, automation, user management, and customization. Passing score. Candidates must achieve a passing score of 65% or higher to pass the exam and obtain certification. Tips for preparing and passing the Salesforce Administration Certification exam. Study the exam guide. The Salesforce Administration Certification exam guide provides an overview of the topics covered on the exam and the weightage assigned to each topic. Take practice exams. Salesforce offers practice exams that simulate the actual exam environment and provide feedback on your performance. Join study groups. Joining study groups can provide a collaborative learning environment and offer different perspectives on the topics covered on the exam. Focus on key topics. Focus on the key topics outlined in the exam guide, such as data management, security and access management, automation, and reporting and analytics. Best practices for Salesforce administration. Stay up to date with new features and releases. Salesforce releases updates 3 times a year, and it's important to stay up to date with new features and functionality. Maintain data quality. Data quality is essential for accurate reporting and analytics. Use a sandbox environment. Sandbox environments allow you to test changes and updates before implementing them in your production environment. Conclusion. It demonstrates an individual's knowledge and skills in configuring, customizing, and maintaining Salesforce solutions to meet the unique needs of organizations. Salesforce is a widely used CRM platform, and organizations across various industries rely on it to manage their customer data and streamline their sales processes. It is important to note that maintaining the certification requires staying updated with Salesforce platform changes and advancements.